Welcome to Okayama Castle. I'd like to tell you about how to enjoy your time here at Okayama Castle. How you can enjoy your time at Okayama Castle. Okayama Castle is located in the center of Okayama City along the Asahi River. It's such an exciting place that it even makes the ninjas want to dance. Okayama Korakuen Garden is on the left, and if you go straight, look! Now let's head inside Okayama Castle. We can take a shortcut to the castle by going through this gate and heading up. Alternatively, it's also a quaint way to view the dynamic stone walls around the castle. If you head in from the bridge, you will be greeted by a majestic megalith. The castle was built around 1597. Okayama Castle was rebuilt in 1966 after being destroyed in a fire during the Okayama air raid. Please refrain from misbehaving when entering the keep. After paying the admission fee, we can finally go inside the keep. The basement floor. First, please take a look at the full model of the castle and read about the castle's history. The castle was renovated in November of 2022. The supervisor was the renowned historian Michifumi Isoda, and his unique commentary will awaken your interest in history. You might be tempted to start dancing, but please refrain from doing so here. We've suddenly jumped up to the top floor. If you aren't a ninja, please use the elevator. The 6th floor. What a view! It offers a panoramic view of Okayama Korakuen Garden, one of the 3 most famous gardens in Japan. Please try to find the golden peaches. The 5th floor. How is the city of Okayama created? Through projection mapping, the princesses will tell you about the origins of the castle in an easy-to-understand way. The 4th floor. The lords who built the foundation of Okayama Castle were father and son, Nao-ie Ukita and Hide-ie Ukita. The ninjas do this when they see the lords, but you can view them normally. The 3rd floor. Ukita, Kobayakawa, and Ikeda were the successive lords of Okayama Castle, and the Battle of Sekigahara was the pivotal juncture that entwined their fates. You can also watch an original historical movie. Try to contain your excitement. The 2nd floor. Mitsumasa Ikeda was known as being a wise ruler, and the Ikeda family changed Okayama for the better. As a visitor to the castle, you will also be a part of Okayama's history. The 1st floor. Now, after soaking in the weight of the history, please relax here on the 1st floor. You can try holding a matchlock gun, picking up a sword, and riding a horse. You can also try on a kimono. Transform yourself into a lord or princess for a photograph. The cafe offers sweets made from white peaches and muscat grapes, the pride of Okayama, the fruit kingdom. Lastly, we have the best piece of information. The castle keep is actually rented out in the evening. The entire 1st floor can be used for parties and weddings. Please feel free to contact us. There is also a souvenir shop inside the keep. You can make traditional Okayama pottery called bizenyaki while viewing the castle's stone walls. Please come to Okayama Castle. We're looking forward to your visit. Just between us, ninjas might still be hiding in Okayama Castle.